Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. Let's take a look at what is new in TypeScript 4.4. Okay, the first one is control flow analysis of a aliased condition. Um, so before, in the current version, we could use type of guard like this. If the type of R is string, then it's a string, so we can use the prototype method on string. Yeah, that's pretty straightforward. But if we do something like this, if we cache the condition, I say like we need to use this condition for multiple times. We usually cache it in a variable, and if we use this variable, the information of this type is gone because TypeScript doesn't know not, this R is string or not, even though from this statement it should be fine. But this problem is solved in 4.4. I think that TypeScript actually attached some internal uh, informations on this variable, right? And when you're using this variable, they can know that under this uh, variable, what the type information is to this argument R here. So they have improved this. So this is working, and also like this this is a union, and with the one key, to discriminate the union types. Yeah, we usually do this to like set if the shape kind is circle, then we know it is circle, and else we know it's a square. So, but this didn't work before because we cached into the variable. TypeScript didn't know, and now TypeScript knows, so it becomes more clever. And yeah, this here is another example. We can use the variable to cache all these conditions. Like yeah, so TypeScript actually improved itself based on the common cases, common for these scenarios. Here is for checking the parameters. Here is the cache the conditions, and it tries to improve it. Okay, yeah, like this. A cache the condition. Also, we could combine these two conditions into a new one, and still it knows. Well, it says TypeScript doesn't go arbitrarily deep, so it's not going to work if you make too deep condition nesting. If like it's true is another, is another condition combined, and then over and over again, then it won't work. But for common cases, it should work just fine. This is similar to TypeScript recursion stuff, right? It can just do recursions for a few times, but it doesn't do like forever. Cool. And symbol and template string patterns signature. This is the common cases. Yeah, number, cool. Yeah, use the number as index, cool. But now the TypeScript 4.4 allows symbol, right? For object keys, there will be string and symbol, but there's no number. Number is because the number will be coerced to string. Okay, so number, cool. Okay, so and yeah, another thing is about string template literal. So you can define something like this is use this literal, and you could say that auto string should be start with data. This is for accessing the data sets on the DOM, right? Cool. Yeah, this is true. This is works, but this is not. Great. Yeah, this is looks cool. More powerful. The next one is defaulting to unknown typing catch variables. Catch, or try catch error. Error is any. This is current version. Any is not safe, right? Because you can do anything about any. So it changed to unknown with a flag using unknown in catch variables. Why just yeah, it used the flag, and this is a problem. If you TypeScript actually do this progressive improvement, but it cannot introduce some breaking changes, I guess. Or why not? Why not just introduce these breaking changes? I think it's not that big problem, right? Anyway, unknown is a type safe version of any. Any is an I would say any is not a type. Any is a hint that TypeScript to avoid the type checking. But unknown is also is not a type. It's a type, but personally it's not type. It's a hint to the TypeScript say, okay, you need to check this. Anyway, we don't know what it is. Um, well, with this flag, now it's become unknown. You cannot just call some arbitrary prototype methods. You need to check using the type instance of or type of stuff. Looks cool. I love this. Okay, another one is exact optional prototypes. Okay, before this actually is equivalent to this. This is true. I think not all of us know this one, but yeah. Optional key is different than the undefined uh, uh, value. I mean, this this means this means two things. The first one is the key might be not present, and also it might say, okay, age could be set to undefined. Yeah. Normally it should be the same because if you access some key without value, you would get undefined. But it's semantically different, right? We have keys, it's undefined, and we don't have keys because yeah, for some cases like use object assign or object keys, you will get different data. So yeah, if you say something like this, semantically you would say, okay, we can have an age of number, but or we could have no age. But this means we have an age with a value undefined. Semantically, it should not fit, but for the common practices, this is okay for now. And yeah, now we have a flag. I think this is already in flow, right? Flow. If we use flow type, this is more stricter than the TypeScript. Okay, for TypeScript 4.4, we now will trigger an error here because let's redo it again. This means, okay, this means we could have an age of number or we don't have age. But this means we have an age of undefined. Now it triggers error because semantically it should be error. Great, and also in TypeScript 4.4, we have some performance improvements a lot. Faster declaration emit, faster path normalization, faster path mapping, faster increment builds, faster source generation, force build. What is force? No perform up to date. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, if we use force build, yeah, TypeScript will perform up to date checks. And now it improvement. I think with some cache mechanism. I don't know. Spelling suggestion for JavaScript. Editing. Okay. That's why TypeScript now issues spelling suggestions in plain JavaScript ones without TS check. Okay. Well, isn't it great? For more. Yeah. Yeah, this looks good. Uh-huh. That's why TypeScript now issues spelling suggestions in plain JavaScript without TS or the project with check is turned off. Okay, I see it. So if you should turn it on, I guess, for spelling suggestion JavaScript. Inlay hints. What is inlay? Inlay. Embed, I guess. Inlay hints in the for inlay hints. Okay, this is highlight, right? Cool. Breaking changes change to TypeScript 4.4. You see unknown catch variables. Yeah, if you use this flag, it's gonna be breaking changes. Abstract properties not allow initializers. Yeah, because it's abstract, right? Abstract class. Instead, you should only simply type. Yeah. What's next? Wow, cool. Yeah. Okay, that's it. That's it for 0.4. Not big changes, but I love these exact stuff, the exact optional property types, and this is really useful. Yeah, this control flow analysis of an alias condition. So you can see that if you put it in the variable, it looks like we are aliasing the conditions, right? It's the same if we put the conditions directly here. Great, that's all for this one. Let's see you next time when TypeScript updates. I'll see you later. Bye bye.